Hi there, my name's Elliot Burton and welcome to Ask the Expert. So, this week's question is there any law that protects those going through the menopause? Well, that's a great question. There isn't currently any specific law related to the menopause. However, the anti-discrimination provisions in the Equality Act 2010 will be the most relevant. So it's unlawful to be discriminated against or treated unfavourably because of a protected characteristic. Protected characteristics like race, like gender, like sexual orientation, etc. So while the menopause isn't a standalone protected characteristic in itself, if someone has been treated less favourably for reasons related to the menopause, they may have a claim using one of the pre-existing protected characteristics. So most commonly, this would be sex discrimination. Say if an employer treated a woman with menopausal symptoms less favourably than they would treat a man with comparable symptoms, well, that could be sex discrimination. And then there's also disability discrimination. So if someone's menopausal symptoms are substantial, they're long-term, and they have an effect on their ability to carry out their normal day-to-day activities. Now, this may fall within the definition of a disability under the Equality Act. Therefore, if an employer is aware of this and, say, for example, fails to make reasonable adjustments, that person might have a claim for disability discrimination. Another angle for a claim is age discrimination. So whilst not always the case, most individuals going through the perimenopause or menopause are usually around 45 to 55. So as such, unfair treatment of workers because they're going through the perimenopause or menopause could be age discrimination. So to sum up, the Equality Act 2010 is currently the law that can be utilised to provide protection from discrimination to those suffering from the menopause.